everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we are opening up a brand new subscription. It's a snack subscription and it's called Secret Snacks. So in this box you get 14 to 20 snacks. They send a different variety each month, which is great. The price is $29 per month, but if you sign up for like a 3, 6, or 12 month plan, that price goes down. And there is free shipping. This one is available only in the continental US. So yeah, let's open this up and see what snacks come inside. It seems like pretty heavy and full. When I open up the box, this is what I see. It says Secret Snacks, Happy Snacking, and then there's a little note for me. This is very nice. And then there is a little handout on top. It says Secret Snacks, receive a monthly box of secret snacks just for you. Great tasting snacks delivered to you. Everybody loves a snack. Secret Snacks selects a mix of all your favorites as well as some new snacks delivered to your door monthly. So, oh, I can see some like awesome classic snacks on top. So the first thing I'm gonna grab out is Fritos, the original corn chips. Yum. I haven't had Fritos in a while. Ooh, these are like one of my guilty pleasures. Cheetos. I love Cheetos so much. I like these too. I've had this kind by Popcorners, sweet and salty kettle corn. This is really good. I think I received this before in a past box. Yeah, these are good. And they're like a little bit healthier, you know, than your regular snacks, so if you're into that. We have the Ritz toasted chips, sour cream and onion. Yum. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try the next one, you guys. This is the Ruffles Jalapeno Ranch. I love jalapeno anything, like jalapeno chips, like kettle chips and stuff I always get, but I've never tried jalapeno ranch ones. I'm like too excited to try that. And then we have the Dirty Potato Chips and Mesquite Barbecue. It says, we cook our chips kettle style in a premium peanut oil blend for a crunchier, tastier potato chip. I love kettle style chips. I love barbecue also, so. Awesome. Yay, there's more jalapeno chips. I'm so excited. I've never had this kind either. This is Hawaiian kettle style potato chips and jalapeno fired, crispy and crunchy and gluten free. Oh my, I'm so excited to try these. Yes. And then we have some Zoo Animal crackers, classic childhood snack, right? We have some Wheat Thins original. Nice. Oh, I didn't know Sunmaid made cookies. Sunmaid bite-sized premium cookies, oatmeal, raisin, apple. Of course it has raisins in it because when I think of Sunmaid, that's what I think of, raisins. So that's cool they're expanding to the cookie world. Maybe I'm just late to the game knowing that. Ooh, and then we have Nature Valley granola cups, peanut butter chocolate. I didn't know they made these either. I always think of their like bars, but that looks really good. Peanut butter chocolate granola cups. Yum. I'm getting hungry. Kind bar. I love Kind bars. This is a peanut butter dark chocolate. It has a lot of protein. It says it has 8 grams of protein. New look, same flavor. It seems bigger. Did they like increase the size of Kind bars? I don't know. Ooh, another snack. Oh, it says new on there. Starburst mini sours unwrapped. This is new by Starbursts. I've never tried these. They're sour. Looks like we have 2 bars by Nature's Bakery. They're fig bars. I love figs, and they're in the blueberry flavor. I love blueberry as well, too. I pretty much love everything that's in this box so far. Yum. And then we have Rice Krispie Treats, an original. We have 2 of the Nature Valley's Oats and Honey bars. Ooh, 2 of the Nika, is that how you say it? Nika sandwich cookies and real peanut butter. Mango pineapple mix by Cars. Yum. So it's like a trail mix type. It says peanuts, raisins, sunflower kernels, mango, pineapple, and cashews, and it is gluten free. And then we have 2 more things. We have some original Skittles. Oh man, I forgot these existed. And then the last item in here is Raisinets. So just out of curiosity, I'm gonna count how many we got in here quick. I thought there was more than 20, so they say you get 14 to 20, but I got 23 items. I wonder if they count like when you get 2 of the same thing as like 1, because then it would be about 20. So I think that's really good. It comes with a lot of like good sized stuff, like stuff you've heard of too, and some new things like they said. Like, I think what I'm most excited about probably are the jalapeno chips. You guys have to let me know what snack sounds the best to you. I'm super excited to enjoy these later. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave them down below, their website, if you guys wanna check them out and subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much for being here and watching. I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.